How to sell tote bags on Etsy. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell tote bags on Etsy. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Etsy, you can also use the link in the description, in which by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Etsy, it is an online marketplace known for its vast array of unique and handmade goods. The platform caters to artisans, crafters, and vintage collectors, offering a diverse range of products including handmade jewelry, clothing, home decor, and many more. And Etsy's marketplace provides a platform for small businesses and independent creators to reach a wide range of audience, empowering them to turn their passion into profitable ventures. And now that we know the overview of Etsy, we can now proceed by knowing how to sell tote bags on Etsy. But before that, if you search the tote bags on Etsy and by clicking the enter, it will show you the result of some of the tote bags that are available or selling by other seller on this platform. And as you can see, we have here a wide range of choices of tote bags design that we could also use as a guide in selling a tote bags on this platform. And from here, you will see the corresponding prices on each tote bag that are selling by other seller. And now to start selling on Etsy, the first thing that we need to do is to simply sign in on this platform, and after signing in, you will be directed on this page. And after that, just go to the next tab, and we're going to use this other platform that is very helpful, which is printful.com, in which this platform will help us in printing a design for our tote bags. So basically, Printful is a print-on-demand and dropshipping company that enables individuals and businesses to create a custom design products with minimal upfront costs and inventory management. And from here, to start using this platform, just set sell online and just click get started button in order to proceed. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, in which from here, you'll have access, or you can sign in using your Google, Apple ID, Facebook, and even your email address. But in those options, I'm going to choose to use my Google account. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page. And just proceed by answering the question, sell online. And select your answer to their question what describes you or your business the best. And after answering some of the question, you will be directed on this page right here, in which this is the overview of printful.com. And you will see on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating. And just proceed by clicking the stores, and from here, it will show you some of the stores that you can connect. But proceed by clicking choose platform button, and upon clicking on it, just select the connect button under the Etsy, since this is a platform that we're going to use in selling the tote bags. Then below here, just click connect to Etsy button, and upon clicking on it, just scroll down from here, then just click grant access button in order to proceed. Then from here, just connect your Printful store to your Etsy by clicking the continue button right here. And all you need to do is to wait for it to load, and after that, it will show you that your Printful and Etsy are now connected. And now, to start creating a product, just proceed by clicking Add Product button, and upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page right here. And under New Products, it will show you a variety of products that you could also use or choose, but in the search bar, kindly search tote bag. And on the result below, just select the tote bag that you prefer. I'm going to use this all-over print tote. So kindly click on it, and upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page right here. And from here, all you need to do is to simply upload a design that you want to input to your tote bag. And from here, you will see on the left side panel some of the options that you could also navigate. We have here layers, uploads that you can upload from your computer files. Make sure that the files that you will upload is PNG or JPEG format. You'll also navigate here a text to input a text to this tote bag, a clip art, or some of the stickers that offer by Printful for free, quick design, premium, and many more. But if you also want to customize new design, you could also go to this platform canva.com, in which from here on the search bar, kindly search tote bag design, and it will show us a variety of templates of design that we could also use to input to our tote bag, in which you may have to modify Canva image somewhat in order to use it commercially. So basically from here, all we need to do is to simply select a kind of images or picture of design that we want to input in our tote bag. Let's say I'm going to choose this one. So kindly click customize this template button, in which you will be directed on this page right here. And from here, it will show you what the templates our design looks like when it inputs in our tote bag. And from here, we could also customize this by simply clicking on the left side panel some of the options. We have here elements, text, uploads, and any other design or editing tools that we could also use. So for instance, I'm going to change the font color by black. And if you're now satisfied with all the design that you input, just click the share button and click download and download this file as PNG. Then just wait for it to be fully downloaded, and after that, we can now proceed by going back to our printful. Just click this upload, in which we're going to upload or select the file that we just downloaded from Canva. And after uploading the design that we just customized, you'll be able to see it in here, and just proceed by clicking apply. Then it will show you on the right side panel in here that we have now successfully uploaded the customized design, and from here we can even resize the design that we prefer, such as to make it bigger or smaller. And aside from that, if you also want to add additional design, you could also use on the left side panel some of the editing tools. But if you're now satisfied with the design, just click the continue button below here to proceed. And on the pop-up window, it will show you the two options, which is black or clear. But I'm going to select black and just proceed by clicking the select button below here. And after that, the next thing that we need to do is to simply select either basic mockups or custom mockups. But I'm going to choose the basic mockups since I don't want to build the personalized mockups from scratch or use a templates. And from here, you will be able to choose your made mockups depending on the design and background of the tote bag. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. And after choosing, just click the continue button below here to proceed. And under the details category, from here all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information. We have here product title, the description, in which you will see here that some of the description is now filled up. But for the product title, I'm going to enter here minimalist tote bag. And below here you can even add tags and any other details. Then just proceed by clicking the continue button below here. And from here on the pop-up window, you can even select a free shipping or 10% revenue if you want to. And after setting up the settings on these tote bags, just click the submit to store button below here. But you can even customize or edit a retail price of the tote bag if you want to. And by clicking the submit to store button below here, you will now be able to be directed on this page, in which it will show you that the minimalist tote bag that we just uploaded is now being processed. So all we need to do is to wait for it to be fully completed. And after that, we can now proceed by editing the tote bag that we designed in Printful in our Etsy store. By simply clicking this edit in Etsy, you will be directed on this page right here. And all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information in completing all of the section on the top panel. And after filling out all of the required information and completing all of the details, you have now successfully completed the listing to your Etsy store of selling these tote bags. So that is just basically how you can sell tote bags on Etsy. Thank you.